What we do here is go back.
Good morning, everyone. So today is another day. I actually got the car started and jumped. Nobody really cares about seeing that. I had to pull in the Xterra in order to get this thing to work. The battery was completely dead. It's been 3 weeks. It's been sitting up on jacks with nothing but a straight draw, I'm assuming, until like a week ago when I actually turned it off. So I'm gonna let this thing run. I honestly don't know how much fuel I have. Looks like I got plenty. So I'll be okay there as far as the fueling goes. I'm gonna let that run, and then hopefully in about 20 minutes or so, it's gonna be ready to where I can just turn it off for a little bit, install the AirRide suspension, get the wheels on, and then we can actually set her on the ground. And while it's on, I'm actually gonna put on the other bumper and install those turn signals to the Varis bumpers. Let's do what we can to get some work done. I'm still waiting for Amazon to show up with the little squeegee in order for me to actually do the wrap on the wide body kit, and then we can go from there as far as drilling in. Looks like Friday is going to be the day that the hardware is actually going to be in, so it probably won't be till Friday until we can actually get this drilled into the car. So we got a lot to do in a very little amount of time, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. Damn, that looks really good. I need to step outside. It's getting a little exhausty in that garage, but you guys can always see Varis front bumpers and charge speed front bumpers and all that stuff online. But when you see it in person, it's incredible. It's incredible, and it's not even done yet. Oh man. Oh, just imagine the body kit. So I guess the next step would be getting those bags wired in and ready to go. The only thing I'm short of right now is going to be wiring this whole setup and then getting the rest basically on the ground. Getting it on the ground and just lowering it and seeing if this airless suspension works. If it does, I'm super fucking excited. So I'm gonna set it on the camera a little bit because Yossi's here and her family, so I'm gonna say hi to them, and then hook up those wires, get that fuse connected, and then we'll see if this thing airs up and airs down.
12 seconds later.
So after 12 hours or so, and Yossi coming over and we working on her car the majority of the time, getting her new front fender flares on and the hardware, I was also able to get these wheels on, get the entire AirRide system completely finished, and she was also able to help me out with the AirRide system. Since you guys know that she has hers done on her BMW, I need a little bit of help on how exactly to set it up. Instead of going and looking up on my own, she was able to show me. As you can see, we just have to get the rest of the kit wrapped since we haven't done it. I didn't put it on the front bumper because I had some issues with dropping some stuff when I was putting on nuts, so I just took off the bumper. This thing sits, it's crazy. Let me see if I can do it. There we go. Ooh. All the way down. This is gonna be so mean. There's a little bit more here. I could probably go lower, but I probably don't want to. Just judging off the base of this front bumper kind of layout. So, you know, that push bar is completely gone, but the basic little shroud that kind of keeps the bumper in place is going to be a little bit higher than where the bumper's actually going to sit. So looking at where I'm at now, including the splitter we're probably going to be working on, the chances are this is going to be laying what we would say frame. Next is to get that wide body kit on, and for right now it is looking so good right now. I'm so excited right now. Now I understand how Yossi felt when she got hers done, because I'm just, oh, it looks so fucking good. I'm so excited. We got to get this wide body on. Just look at that angle. Look at this. Look at this angle right here. Oh my god.
The next day.
So I have to be a little bit quiet because I have people sleeping. Some good news and some not so good news. Good news is I have a girlfriend that actually knows how to rap and can help me with this. So if you have a girlfriend and you're into cars, I highly recommend that you actually do this. The reason why I'm being quiet, I might as well put that in there, is because it's Thanksgiving morning, so happy Thanksgiving to all of you. I know it's gonna be a little bit late by the time this thing gets posted up, but happy Thanksgiving. The not so good news is that Amazon has failed me once again. Did a one-day package for supplies so we can wrap this stuff, and it's still not here. Yasi doesn't want to be on camera, so because we both just woke up, I really don't care what it looked like, but we're gonna get this wrap started and at least everything going. All right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Missing someone. I am sad and so
What's up, guys? Okay, so with the car pretty much done, we're gonna have a little bit of a kickback. It is Friday night, it is after Thanksgiving, so going to have some people over for a bonfire and for some Jackbox. Pretty successful day. It's time to chill out and relax. We got the bags installed. The wide body kit is starting to be wrapped. Got a little bit of clip in that for the next video. But for now, it's gonna be a little bit of social life and kicking back, because you know, I'm not all of my life is about working in cars. Sometimes I like to have fun with some friends. So hopefully it's not too ridiculous when everybody shows up. But I am definitely tired. I think I have enough in me to still have some fun. Might be a few outtakes of tonight if I grab the camera, but if I do, or if I don't, anyways, peace out. Stay humble. I love you guys. Going. I tell you have more of the life than just cars. We actually have bonfires and Navy guys drinking ciders.
Shaka, bro.
It's Navy.
Oh,
What about me?
what?
Chad, how old are you?
22.
37.
37.
Shut
Okay.
the fuck up. You're not.
Okay, so you're
37.
older than me.
Some $8 chairs. I'd be careful.
School in the country.
So sad.
I'll buy you
Like,
some
by
up to the dollar
himself.
store.
That's it.
No.
We're done.
Okay.